All right, welcome to more video on amateur painting. How's it going? All right. Now let's see what we're gonna do now. What I'm gonna do next, I gotta get that screw out. That's my problem right there. Okay. Now, my next step is remove that fairing, and I'll be straight. Now, voila, almost done. Okay, now I'm gonna split this up. Split it up. That's what it looks like, y'all. They might charge me, if I get a whole kit, it can run about $700 to $800 cash. For somebody custom, I thought about ordering some parts, just in case. That means I won't be riding for a while. You'll see me walking. All right, I could exercise more. Okay. Voila. Okay. Okay. These are the parts, you see? Okay. Right, strip it down, baby. You go with your bad self. All right. I don't know, man. I'm gonna do all I can. If it gets too dark, I'll continue the project tomorrow. I can join me in the morning. Real early. And y'all witness that I'm doing it. If a lot of people didn't think I could do it, they're wrong. Okay, now I gotta figure out. See, under here, I got my LED lights. So where it looks like I might have to take my lights and let's see. I might have to take the LED lights off. These right here, because to get to the paint. Now if I get the gas tank, I gotta take that off. Gotta get these fairings right here off. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here.